What's the meaning of atmospheric? Atmospheric. Atmospheric.
Atmospheric. Atmospheric. Atmospheric refers to anything related to the Earth's atmosphere. It can refer to the air we breathe, the weather patterns that occur, or the gases and particles that make up our planet's protective layer. When we say something has an atmospheric effect or quality, it typically means that it evokes a certain mood or feeling associated with the environment or atmosphere around us. For example, a dark, moody piece of music may be described as having an atmospheric quality that transports the listener to a specific mood or emotional state.